Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that OMG has finally broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, it retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support for several weeks, and now it is geared up, and imminently it has also broken out this resistance, a quite long-term and strong resistance of 75 cents. And recently, it has also broken out a very, very strong and significant resistance of $1 as well. That has been previously working as a support here, resistance here, and now again, it is working as a support. Now, there is another upcoming resistance on the way of OMG, and that is the uptrend line resistance and support of the previous channel that OMG broke out 2 days ago. You can see it was moving inside this channel. That is, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that for several days, it has been moving inside the resistance and support of this channel. And now it is trying to break out this resistance of this up channel. The previous support of the channel is now working as a resistance. And after that, this resistance of the channel will be also another hurdle for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you a very huge and significant resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Right now, you can see that OMG has just crossed up this lower band of Ichimoku bearish cloud. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Harvest Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal a few days ago on 26th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of OMG. And here you can see that for the past several months or years, it was moving inside this very, very big and huge falling wedge pattern since after the month of October 2021. Therefore, this was a multi-year space resistance that OMG has broken out on this 7 days time frame chart. But after the breakout, it was again rejected by the resistance of this rising channel. This channel was, by the way, formed in those days on the daily time frame chart. Let me just show you on the daily time frame chart, and you can see that while it was moving inside this big falling wedge pattern, at the same time, it was also moving inside this rising channel. And finally, we broke down the support, but due to this support, the previous resistance of the wedge that was working as a support, the price line could not move more down. And after retesting this previous resistance of the wedge as a support, the price line has finally geared up, and now it is trying to re-enter the same rising channel. By the way, during this move, we have again broken out these two very significant resistance levels. One was here at 75 cents, and the next one was here at $1. And now this $1 level can work. In fact, it is again working as a very nice support. You can see we have tested this support here. Despite this long spike to the downside, the price line could not move more down. And now it is trying to re-enter the channel after breaking out the resistance of this, the previous support of the channel that is now, in fact, working as a resistance. After breaking out this resistance, the price line can imminently move to the next resistance of $1.53 and the resistance of this channel as well. Now, if we take a look at this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then you can see that for the past several months, it is flipped into a very strong bearish cloud. And now we are trying to break out the Ichimoku bearish cloud. Right now, we have crossed up this lower bands. And after breaking out this resistance of the channel that was previously working as a support, I'm expecting that imminently it can also try to break out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And once it will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then a very long-term and powerful rally can be started. And this cloud will be flipped into a bullish cloud, and that bullish cloud can work as a very long-term support for the price line of OMG. Now, if we take a look at the final and technical target for this breakout from this wedge pattern, that long-term technical target is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $20. This was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.